let's talk about kiwi. Do you know, Aryan, the benefits of kiwi? Yes, kiwi are good in vitamins. They are rich in fibers. Take Aryan. It's so sweet and yummy. It supports indigestion and a good snack. Very good, Aryan.